What is a lemma? Lemma is a proven statement used to prove another statement or theorem. So it's like you want to prove something and you already know something. So you are using what you already know to prove the next statement. So going back to the property that we are trying to learn, what is Euclid's division lemma? So let's say a and b are two positive integers. There exists unique integers q and r such that a is equal to b multiplied by q plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 and always less than b. If a is completely divisible by b, then r is equal to 0. This can be restated as follows. Dividend, which is a, is equal to divisor, which is b, into quotient, which is q, plus r, which is the remainder. So a is equal to b multiplied by q plus r. It is important to note that in division lemma, q or r may be 0, but r is always less than b. So theorem EDL, this is just a WaHPACT shorthand to remember Euclid's division lemma. So theorem EDL, Euclid's division lemma is, given positive integer a and b, there exists unique integers q and r satisfying a is equal to b multiplied by q plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 and always less than b. It's time that you build your retention by visiting WaHPACT.com. Just go to the various courses and try some challenges. Happy learning!